What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Today I want to drop in and just kind of give potential home buyers out there some advice when it comes to investing in real estate. So if you are out there looking for vacant properties, or you're looking for bank-owned properties, or any property really out there, be sure that you do your full due diligence and check with the city building code department just to make sure that there aren't any judgments or any building code violations. Because if there are, if you purchase that property, that the building order and any fines attached to it will transfer to you, and you will be responsible for outstanding bills that have to be paid, or fines rather, to continue to use that property the way you wish. So just make sure you call down to your city department. If you need help with such a task, be sure to contact your local real estate expert. If you want some free advice from us, you can definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.